Several historic forces began the decline of the once booming economy and population of Detroit, Michigan. Many parks and other recreational facilities had been left unmanned and desolate, as the city of Detroit itself still stands nearly 2/3 vacant. Meet Tom. Tom and the gang were nominated because of their extraordinary efforts in the Metro Detroit community. Tom not only noticed the abandonment of his beloved community, but he was compelled to take action. Thus, the Detroit Mower Gang was formed. Since 2010, he has enlisted as many as 100 like-minded riders who stand with him to volunteer their time, mowers, and camaraderie to mow down the ghostly lots each week and to reclaim the public playgrounds for children to have a safe space to play. As of today, the Detroit Mower Gang has made their rounds over 300 times to parks in need across the Detroit area, and they continue to earn their lawn stripes.
I'm Tom from the Detroit Mower Gang. In the year 2010, the city of Detroit was in real financial trouble, and they announced that they were going to close a bunch of parks. So I went out and I bought a lawn tractor, a weed whacker, and that type of stuff, and I just started cutting grass and trimming shrubs. Other people have joined me now, and we call ourselves the Detroit Mower Gang. We're like a biker gang, but with lawn equipment. So right now, we take care of anywhere between 15 and 30 parks. We keep them in place so the kids can play. We're just regular guys. Like, there isn't a lot of commercial equipment among us. You know, we don't have that kind of budget. So usually we just have lawn tractors and then weed whackers and blowers, you know, that type of thing. So yeah, this was just given to us by Honda. It's kind of their baddest of breed trimmer head, and then it's got interchangeable heads on it too. So I was just whacking some weeds. So it's got the weed whacker head on it. And this is going to come in real handy. And it's a 4-stroke now, so that it's quiet, powerful, and it doesn't use a lot of gas, no oil. So it's really nice to have someone come by and take care of us. I should also mention that my compatriots in the Mower Gang like to ride the lawn tractors, and that leaves their fearless leader to pick up trash and whack the weeds. So I often end up with the trimmer in hand while they get to sit on their duffs and ride. My name is Tom, and I'm a Honda hero. It's a nice day to be in Detroit and cutting grass.
There are many neighborhood heroes like Tom across the USA, and we are committed to finding them. And you can help. Our next Honda hero could be someone you know. As we explore the states to find him or her, make sure you send in your nominations today. Your city could be our next stop.